What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Big Beauty. I'm your DeFi diva, bringing you an exciting new project called Liquid Capital. The pre-sale is happening now, and there's a cap of $10 million for the pre-sale. So there's plenty of time to get in on this project, and you can simply get in with BUSD. This project is on the Binance Smart Chain, and there are some partners, and things are going pretty awesome with the partners as well. So we're going to get into all those exciting details here in just a second. But if you haven't yet, hit the like button and subscribe. That way you can stay updated about Liquid Capital and any other cool and exciting projects coming your way. And then also be sure to click the link in the description. That way you can see for yourself and you can get started in the pre-sale. Or you can at least get started with your research. And remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, and anything that you invest in these projects is at your own risk. Alright, so the pre-sale, I forget exactly when it started, but I know it happened a few days ago, probably about 3 days ago now. And we've raised over $253,000, and I contributed 277, and so as a result I got 2,770 tokens. So these tokens, I believe, are worth 10 cents each right now. So if this project explodes at launch, then we could man, then this could be a lot of money. Let's get into these partners because this is pretty exciting stuff. And then after the partners, I'm gonna show you guys the homepage, and then we're gonna go over the white paper together. Alright, so stay tuned to this video to be able to go through that with me. So let's take a look at these partners. Alright, so getting close to that 2 million mark, so 1.8 million. So these are the list of partners. So you can access that on the LC website, of course. And one of the partners is Grape Finance. So if you don't know what Grape Finance is, it's a project that launched back in February. And man, I forgot to bring up the chart before the video, but if you go to Deck Screener and check it out, you'll see that on the chart that there's a really strong green candle on day one, and then it found a floor at like 90 to $100 since then. So yeah, people have been making great sustainable passive income on Great Finance, and I think that Liquid Capital has that same potential. And they had an AMA recently. You can replay the recording on YouTube, I believe. But, there's a bunch of people in the AMA. A bunch of people are hyped. They're talking about the partners, and, it sounds like they have a pretty solid marketing campaign going on. And it looks like, I have some solid partners. And you can see what these are, and probably invest in these if you want. But I haven't. And of course, here's Liquid Capital right here, and then you can see how much has been invested in these ones as well. So that's really cool. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the homepage. And then, of course, on the homepage, you can join the pre-sale here, and then we're going to get into the white paper here in just a moment. So, Liquid Capital. Welcome to the new era of DeFi. Liquid Capital LC is designed to deliver what DeFi investors desire most: safety, sustainability, and price stability. Built and managed by a team of successful DeFi veterans who use the most effective strategies and tools, the project will set a new standard in the DeFi space in terms of profitability, sustainability, and safety. So those are all things that we definitely like to hear. So, liquid capital consists of several key elements that combine to provide the new standard in DeFi. So, they have the circle of partners, the DeFi as a service, the DeFi educational platform, the liquid capital launchpad, and liquid capital rebasing, the LAR, and whale strategies. So this will probably be in the white paper. I'm not going to go into that because I don't want this video to be super long. So you can go ahead and look at this info for yourself, but all the details are probably going to be in the white paper, and we're going to read that in just a minute. So LAR is the access key to the liquid capital ecosystem. It's built for the passive investor. LAR gives investors holding LQD, liquid token, for positive rebases that automatically compound within their wallets without the need to lock or stake them. LQD holders gain the following benefits: a dynamic APY. Liquid AR implements a sustainable dynamic APY based on volume. So what that means is the contract will adjust accordingly. That way it doesn't get drained. And then also, to me, it sounds like kind of like lock pay, except for your tokens aren't locked, but you still get the rebase every 30 minutes automatically. 30-minute rebases paid every 30 minutes or 48 times per day, which is really cool and exciting. That's one thing I like about these projects with these rebases, is it's really cool to see that happening. And then variable taxes, variable rate and sell and buy taxes designed to the protocol. All right. Investment safety. Liquid token always remains in your wallet. It's not staked in a protocol-owned contract, always under your control. So that's definitely a good thing, because in LockPay, you can't get your tokens out. You can only sell like 1% of them per day. And I haven't looked at that in a while because I staked mine for 3 months just to see what would happen. But for Lucky Sevens, the price has went down dramatically. So, it's not even worth that 1%. So that makes this project cool because you don't have to worry about things like that. Automated payments. There's no need to restake your reward tokens. Interest is compounded and paid automatically in your own wallet, ensuring that you never miss a payment. So that's cool too. Like, sometimes I miss doing compounds or rebases for whatever reason, so that takes care of that. Sustainable dynamic APY. Liquid AR implements a sustainable dynamic APY based on volume for ultimate protocol sustainability. Rapid interest payments. Liquid AR pays interest to all LQD holders every 30 minutes or 48 times a day. Token buybacks. Our protocol will employ two main strategies to manage stability: buybacks to add liquidity and buybacks to send to reserve for future development use. Auto liquidity. 5% of trading will be allocated to liquidity on a DEX. Each trade increases the ability of the protocol to absorb sell pressure with minimal to no price impact. So definitely cool things going on here. So here's the roadmap. You can go ahead and take a look at this for yourself, but I'm going to just slowly scroll down. That way, if you want to pause the video and read this, then you certainly can. All right, and then we're going to access the white paper right now. All right, so Liquid Capital. Liquid Capital is a team-proven DeFi veterans who have created a revolutionary DeFi protocol and a powerful operating strategy designed to achieve what most DeFi investors search for in a DeFi project: sustainability and price stability. Liquid capital is the next stage of DeFi projects. Created after months of in-depth research on the DeFi market and its successes and failures. Liquid capital is optimized to deliver a broad range of consistent financial and other benefits to its token holders. The project also has a goal of transforming the overall DeFi space, making it safer and more rewarding for investors. So definitely things that we like to hear. So the Liquid Capital team is on a mission. The Liquid Capital brings together a group of proven DeFi veterans with a broad range of skills and successes. Collectively, they've been a part of several very successful DeFi projects. All right, so that's a really cool thing to know because I think sometimes it's better to have devs that are more knowledgeable in these areas because it gives the project more potential to be sustainable and legitimate. The Liquid Capital team has a mission to elevate the DeFi space, make it one of the safest and most respected areas of crypto. Our vision is simple. Put investors first, constantly innovate, lead the project with sound business fundamentals rather than emotions or guesswork, and have a relentless focus on success. We believe this approach will make Liquid Capital one of DeFi's most successful projects. All right. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, but we're going to go ahead and switch over to the Liquid Capital Partners, and then you can read the rest of this yourself. That way this video isn't long and drawn out. Liquid Capital Partners. Our partner list is always growing and expanding. It features a mix of different protocols from trusted and experienced teams in the space that have met and doxed to us. These partners are an essential aspect of Liquid Capital's mission to create a broad circle of trust in the DeFi space. For instructions on how to apply, visit the How to Partner page. So here's the current partners, and of course, you can click on them to see what they are. So here is Grape Finance, and I don't know all the details of this lovely project, but you can look into it yourself on here, and you can also look at all the other partners listed on the white page as well. So we're gonna go to the How to Partner page. So how to partner. If you want to become a partner, you can fill out the partner request form. The Liquid Capital team will review each request and research the information provided. Once the review is complete, a Liquid Capital team member will reach out to your point of contact and discuss next steps. Please be patient with our team as we review the request, and it will take some time to process each submission. The team must review, validate, and verify all the information before proceeding. All right, so that's awesome. If you want to become a partner, you can click here and fill out that form. And yeah, so this is Liquid Capital. I don't know about you guys, but this sounds really exciting to me, and I hope that you find it exciting and interesting as well. And yeah, let's see what happens with this. So we probably got like a week or a little more than a week left for pre-sale. So go ahead and get in on that pre-sale. The link is in the description. And the cool thing is about pre-sales, it's an opportunity to get in early. And if you get in early, then you could potentially get a larger return on your investment. But it's not guaranteed. This is risky stuff. So if you put money into this project, don't put any more money than you're willing to lose because this is risky stuff and you could potentially lose it. But the rewards could also be amazing. And guys, be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can continue to get updates about Liquid Capital and any other projects. So, yeah, guys, we got this. We got Liquid Capital, and I got another one to share with you. So be sure to stay tuned for that one. You'll be seeing a video about that soon. It's called the Bandit Project. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but a video is coming very soon about that. And it's really cool because it's made by an influencer. And yeah, guys, I'll let you know about any new projects that are coming out. And it's kind of harder to find projects right now. That's how it seems like to me, because it seems like a lot of them have something weird going on, or they're like real scammy and things like that. So I really want to avoid that, and I want to focus on sharing projects that that I'm investing in, because I don't want to just share stuff just to share stuff, you know. Um, because I don't want people to end up losing their money, and you never know how much a person has worked for to get that money, you know. So, you know, I just want to share projects that I've invested in and show you the results, and then that way you can at least get started with some of the info on it, and then you can do some further research for yourself to determine whether or not you think it would be a good investment. But guys, super awesome. Let me know in the comments if you have participated in the pre-sale, and yeah, this would be really cool. I'll definitely be giving you guys updates as we go, so stay tuned for those as well. And like I always say, continue to motivate yourself. Tell yourself that you can do it. Tell yourself that you can make it. Tell yourself that you're going to win. Because if you practice that, then you're going to see a lot of positive things. You know, it takes time, and you might not notice it right away, but if you keep practicing that, then you'll notice that you're going to have a major confidence boost, and you're going to be, wow, that really did help. Yes, it does. And you know, it's really amazing because, you know, I did that like through one of the hardest times in my life, and it helped me get confidence. And so I know you can do the same. So that's why I keep telling you guys that, and I'm going to continue to tell you guys that because I think it's really important. And I think we need to be reminded, especially with so many negative things going on in the world, and then people have their own individual issues and things like that. So um, if you continue to talk positively, then it will definitely help. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I thank you guys for your continuous support, and it truly means a lot. So be on the lookout for new projects. And yeah, guys, we're gonna stay positive and let's get that money. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.